going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Oakdale Commons. It's a new month, so we're going to do a new update today. We'll mostly look at the progress on the Dick's House of Sport because it's just about ready to go. Another month or two here, maybe at most. Before we get started, thank you to the Patreon supporters. My birthday is coming up. If you want to say happy birthday, links are down in the description. And yeah, hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Got these giant reels over here. Looks like they've got a lot of markings in and curbs in for new parking lots. The former Bonton site doesn't look a whole lot different from the last time we were here. So this is new. Last time we were here, this former restaurant site was not boarded up like this, and now it is. So I wonder what's going to go in over here. That'd be interesting. So I'm going to walk the mall, and if I see any major changes, I'll make sure to get them on video for you guys. So whatever store this is coming up in the middle here, this looks new. I don't remember this being here. What is it, a Banter? Oh, Banter by Piercing Pagoda. Okay, so maybe it's not new. I don't know. All right, so we've reached the south wing of the mall, and the Dick's House of Sport now has the entrance exposed, so we should be able to see inside and take a look at what you have to look at in the future. I can see the glass elevator from here, and it says founded in 1948, opened in 2023.
Yeah, bro.
50? How about 10?
Times 5, you got it.
I'm not good at math, it's just 10.
$50 that equals. Let me know.
See the elevator there? Pretty empty right now. There's not a lot of stuff in it. You can see the rock climbing wall down there. Looks very tall and sunny. Now I remember reading somewhere that they're not putting the escalators back in because they want people to be athletic and get their exercise, unless you need the elevator for, you know, physical reasons. But yeah, there's a look inside Dick's House of Sport. I see some display walls over there. Looks very modern. Hard to believe it used to be Macy's at one point. Let's go around to the other side here and see what we can see. Looks like they were using this as a construction office. Here's a look facing west. That's pretty cool. Looks very large. They're finishing up the flooring tile right there. So there you go. There's your first look inside of Dick's House of Sport. They got the hiring office right over there. And then just to finish out this video, show you guys the exhibition ring there. That's cool. So yeah, not a whole lot else is different from the last update, but you guys got your first look inside the Dick's House of Sport. So I just found right out there used to be the entrance to Sears. And there's this long ass hallway that I think leads to Beer Tree, but definitely leads to the pool. Yeah, there's the pool right there. Here's the outside. So this would have been the east exit of Sears back in the day. And then right here, if I'm not mistaken, should take you right out to Beer Tree. Yep, there's the coffee shop. And there's Factory by Beer Tree, right through those doors. And then you can get into the rest of Lord's Fitness Center right down there. So just a cool little tip if you're trying to get from the mall to Beer Tree. And then right here, Lord's Health and Fitness. There's also another hallway that takes you down to the western parking lots right over there. So you can actually walk through the entire complex to get down to the mall, regardless of what side you park on. So again, I just thought these tips would be helpful if you're new to the Lord's Health and Fitness experience. So just a tip, I locked myself out. These doors are only able to enter through if you're an associate, but for some reason I could come down that hallway to enter the parking lot over here on the west side of the facility. So now I'm going to take a really long, sweaty walk back to the car. Alright guys, to close out the video, I realized as I was leaving the mall that I never really show the west side of the mall that much, so I figured to close this out, I'd take a drive around the west side of the mall. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and if you want to support the channel, links are always down in the video description. Thanks a lot guys!